number 295.
The Flying Penguins of Granite Bay.
Sierra's Workforce Development Division formed a partnership with Granite Bay High School to help students compete in the first National Robotics Competition. The exciting experience of building a robot from scratch and operating it in fierce competition was a fun way to introduce students to technical careers.
Here comes one blue robot. Great shooting from outside the long ball.
The CACT's involvement with the Granite Bay Robotics Club relates to the instructional programs at Sierra College because we are helping students at the high school level realize that what they want to do is go on into technology careers. Once they do that, and we let them know about the Mechatronics program that's going on at the college, they can go on to that program, graduate, and on to a successful career.
As an employer in manufacturing, I think it's absolutely critical that Sierra College reaches down into middle school, high school kids and gets them excited about manufacturing, because there's certainly a lot of opportunities in those fields.
I think middle school and high school students are at a critical stage where they're making decisions about their career. What I want these students to know is that we have challenging, hands-on technical positions that don't require a four-year degree but provide a lot of variety and challenge.
The robotics team is very appreciative of the support that we've gotten from the local companies and from Sierra College. Without them, we wouldn't have been able to do what we did with this robot.
Parents, students, and teachers agree that the hands-on experience of building a robot made current classes more relevant and opened the team's eyes to technical education and careers.
So being involved in robotics takes you from the beginning, when the students aren't really sure what's interesting and what scares them, and allows them to explore their strengths, and encourages them to take the right classes, to move on to a junior college like Sierra, to move on to a four-year college like Sac State, and go into engineering and science. And that's what we're trying to do. We have to hook them now so that their natural strengths have opportunities in the future.
I learned a lot about engineering and building, electronics and programming.
Before, I had no idea what I wanted to do, but now I realize how fun it is and how I could actually have a job that I like after college, and it's definitely pushed me in the direction of being a mechanical engineer after college.
I think when the kids are involved with the robotics team, they are excited about school. They come in here and they're working on this robot and they're learning things about it. They're learning things like gear ratios, they're learning things about torque, and then they go into their classrooms. They go into their math classrooms, their science classrooms, and then all of a sudden they see that, wow, they've got a problem that has to deal with torque. They've got a problem that has to do with forces, and all of a sudden it's like, wow, I've just learned about that in robotics. Now I'm here and now I've got a real world connection to what I'm doing in the classroom to what I'm doing with this robot.
I would tell the other kids who want to be in a technical career that just really go for it. It's exciting, fun, and just something new every day. You're always doing something different.